The RYA SafeTrx app is an app for both Android and Apple iOS smartphones that allows you to track your journey on your phone. You can enter your journey details directly from your smartphone and plan a trip, knowing that should you not arrive by the time given, a nominated emergency contact will be alerted and advised to initiate appropriate action. Where your emergency contact calls HM Coast Guard about an overdue trip, the Coast Guard will have access to your location and trip data through a secure SafeTrx server. Moving from CG66 to RYA SafeTrx. On the 4th of July 2018, HM Coast Guard approved RYA SafeTrx as its replacement for the official Voluntary Safety Identification Scheme, better known as CG66. RYA SafeTrx builds on the advantages of the CG66 scheme to assist HM Coast Guard with search and rescue, and it provides enhanced functionality if used together with the optional RYA SafeTrx app. As part of the changeover, HM Coast Guard stopped taking registrations for the CG66 scheme on the 11th of July 2018, but had retained access to the CG66 database until March 2020. The data from CG66 has not been migrated to the RYA SafeTrx database. Therefore, anyone who wishes to make use of RYA SafeTrx will need to register on the RYA SafeTrx system, when and if they choose to do so. RYA SafeTrx offers the full CG66 database function, with additional life-saving technologies provided by the RYA SafeTrx app. If you do not wish to use the mobile app, you can still register an account and your vessel details online at the RYA SafeTrx website, which is safetrx.rya.org.uk. Please watch our video Getting Started with RYA SafeTrx for guidance on how to register an account and add your vessel details. If you choose to register this way, the details you enter will be stored in the RYA SafeTrx database and will be available to HM Coast Guard should you ever need assistance. You do not need to use the mobile app for your details to be available to HM Coast Guard if you ever need help. The benefit of this system over the previous CG66 system is that registration is instantaneous and users can maintain their own data to ensure that it's always up to date. Whilst the GMDSS system remains the preferred means for communication and distress alerting, the RYA SafeTrx app is a useful backup and particularly helpful for those in small craft that do not have the ability to fit or carry standard GMDSS equipment. The RYA SafeTrx app is an accessible tool that leisure craft users can use when going to sea. It does not replace GMDSS, EPIRB, PLBs or AIS. It is free to download and there is no charge to use it.